How to register a Gate.io account. Hello everyone, Gate.io is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange offering a wide range of investment tools and services. In this video, I'll show you how to register a Gate.io account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome. To register an account and get attractive offers from Gate.io, visit coinaz.net/gate. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to register a Gate.io account. Let's get started. Select your country of residence, then click Sign Up. You can register an account using your email address or phone number. I'll use my email address. This is a referral code. If you don't have one, enter this code to receive bonus rewards. Click Next. Slide to complete the puzzle. Gate.io has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email inbox. This is the email that Gate.io sent to me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click here. Then check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email from Gate.io. This is the verification code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. Next, you need to set a password for your account. Please note that your password must be at least 8 characters long, include one uppercase letter and one number, and not contain your username. I'll use the example password shown on the screen for reference. Click Confirm. In the next step, you need to complete identity verification. Click here. Click Verify Now. Select your country of residence, nationality, and document type. For the document type, you can choose an ID card, passport, or driver's license. I'll choose ID card. Then click Next. Enter your full legal name and document ID. For the document ID, I'll enter my national ID number. Once completed, click Next. Your basic verification information has been submitted. You can verify using the Gate app or take photos using your camera. I'll choose Take Photos with Camera. Click Next. Click Agree and Continue. The next step is to take photos of your document and complete facial verification. Click Start Verification. These are some requirements for taking photos of your ID. Please read them carefully. Click Continue. Click Allow to use the camera. Place your document within the frame for verification. Next, you need to complete facial verification. Click Continue. Please place your face in the frame and follow Gate.io's on-screen instructions. The identity verification process is now complete. The result will be sent to you via email. After successful verification, you can deposit and withdraw funds. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. Click on this icon. Click Security. Here, you can choose from multiple authentication methods. I'll choose Google Authenticator. These are the steps to enable Google Authenticator. Click here to copy the setup key. Now, install Google Authenticator on your phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click here. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. Select Enter a setup key. Enter the account name. Then paste the setup key you copied here. Click Add. This is your Google Authenticator code. Click here to copy it. Once you have the code, return to the Gate.io website. Click Send to receive the email verification code. Slide to complete the puzzle. Gate.io has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your inbox, copy the code, and enter it here. Finally, enter or paste the Google Authenticator code here. Then click Confirm. Google Authenticator has been successfully enabled. That's how to register a Gate.io account. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.